Who they work, see the shop, plantain will fry. I never go store. This is to 11. See there. I want fry egg. Join am. No eat this morning. Hello. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you guys doing?
Hello.
Merry Christmas to you all. Okay. Do you want plantain?
Yes.
Mommy should give you plantain.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Take plantain. Yay. Play. Yeah. I give you plantain. Do you want another one?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Take. Do your plate. Do your plate. What will you say?
Yes.
Eh?
Okay.
You're welcome.
Welcome.
She's saying thank you.
Welcome.
Must say something. Take cool body now.
Get it?
Hey, look, come over there. See ya. You hot? You hot? That's what I'm gonna buy for education. The small one is alright. I want to carry it.
Yes.
Now with the price so. I was like, it save us this morning.
Some money. Some money.
Go on here. Also, those very delicious.
I'm a party master.
Cause you can